Floating out into the wild, like there's no one round for miles and miles. The sun is rising, leads us right.
Happy birthday, Mikay! We love you! Hello! Good health! Huwag pasaway. Maging mabait siya hanggang sa paglaki.
Let all our shooting stars align. It's our time. It's our time. Look how we shine. Look how we shine. 'Cause it's our time.
Happy birthday, Mikay! Love you!
Hi, Mikay! So, ang wish ko is bigyan ka ng good health ni Papa God and a strong heart and a grateful heart para kay Mommy and Daddy.
Happy birthday, Mikay! We love you!
And we've gotta chase this light. Let all our shooting stars align. It's our time. It's our time. Look how we shine. Look how we shine. 'Cause it's our time.
Sana healthy ka lagi. Tapos huwag ikaw maging pasaway kay mami at daddy, lalo na kay lola, yung mga fairy grandmothers natin, and ninong-ninang, even mga tito at tita. Sana lumaki kang mabait, God-fearing, tapos matalino katulad ni mami. Sana hindi maging pasaway katulad ni daddy. Yun lang. Happy birthday, Budingding. We love you.
It's our time. It's our time. It's our time. Look how we shine. Look how we shine. 'Cause it's our time.
Happy birthday, Mikay! We love you!
Hello, Mikay-Kay. Ang wish ko sa kanya, sana siya'y makadiyos, mabait, maging matalino. Yan ang wish ko sa kanya.
'Cause I feel like dancing high. Gotta feel
Good health, tsaka lahat ng maging pangarap nila mami, tsaka ng mga nagmamahal sa'yo is marating mo sa buhay. Okay?
I wish that you will be a God-fearing person, maging mabait, maging happy, always healthy, cheerful, and to become respectful also to your parents, and always be kind with the people around you. Nagsabi na siya ng word na mama. Thank you, Beng. I love you. Happy birthday.
Hello, Mikay. Happy birthday. Wish ko sana hindi ka na matakot kay Ninong. So, lumaki ka na mabuting bata gaya nila Mami at Daddy. And alam ko, malaking future yung nakaabang para sa'yo. At nandito lang din ako lagi para supportahan ka sa kanila. Happy birthday! I love you!
Sana yung mga dreams mo in life, yan, ma-achieve mo lahat with the help of your parents. Yun lang. Happy birthday! Mikay, we love you!
all begins.
Wish ko, matalino, di ba? Laging healthy, maging mabait, di ba?
mana sa mama sa kay papa. Love you, Mikay.
Happy birthday, Mikay! We love you!
Happy birthday, Michaela.
Where it all begins. A moment to feel alive. This is where it all begins. A moment to feel.
Happy birthday, Mikay! Kaya hindi ko alam kung naiintindihan mo na, pero love ka namin.
Best day